The management of stowaways and unauthorised travellers can be a complex and challenging task. It requires care, compassion, and a unique skill set. At UK Patient Care, we are the responsible choice for managing this. We ensure that people are treated with dignity, respect, and that their human rights are protected. Traditional security can be distressing, particularly for people who have undergone extreme hardship and trauma. Now, all our staff are extremely trauma informed, caring, compassionate to minimise fear and de-escalate challenging situations. We have a mobile team on hand 24 hours a day with a global reach to help you manage these challenging situations and the subsequent repatriations. So if you'd like to know more, give us a call, drop us an email, and we look forward to hearing from you.